Hey, what's up? I'm going to teach you all how to put this amazing IR shell onto your PSP, assuming you already have custom firmware. Okay, now let's go to your computer. You're going to go to www.psphacks.com/category/23. I will put that in the description, believe me. Then once you're down onto that page, you hit IR Shell with advanced multitasking. Click on that. Scroll down. See, that's what mine look like. And you're going to find this little download button. Click on that. Hit save. And done. Okay, now once that's done downloading, find it wherever the heck you saved it on your computer. And that's too bright. There it is. PSP IR Shell 5.5. Okay, here we are. Now, these are the contents of the download. Okay, now you need to, I'm just going to get my memory card out of my PS. Ooh, that was probably not a smart move. Ugh, oh well. Put that memory card into your computer. Open it up. Okay, now you are in the root of your PSP. You see this plug-in here? You can put that in, but it's not a necessity. You only want to put that in there if you want to make it to where the PSP just boots up to IR Shell, which I would not recommend if you are familiar with how to use it. So, just go down to PSP Game IR Shell. See, check that out. eBoot IR Shell ×2 ×3. Come over here. Yes, so go down to PSP Game. Drop this over. I just drag it over. I already have it in here. Oops. Delete that. Drag it into the folder, but once that's on your root to your PSP, go back to the root on your memory card to this, and drag over this IR Shell folder. Okay, and I already have it, so I'm going to hit no. Now once that's all over, you exit out of everything, take the memory card back out of your computer, put that back into your PSP. I'm gonna quit. Yes. Okay. Alright, now once that's on, you've done all this, put the memory card back in, hit memory card, go down and find IR Shell, and here it is. Look at that, IR Shell, looks nice. I'm just going to click on that, X, wait for it to boot up. IR Shell. There you go. Just one quick thing before I go. You need to remember this button right there. You know why? Because that takes you back to your regular screen. That is the button you need to remember. just in case if you ever get lost. Otherwise you're going to have to shut down your PSP. Just explore. Got a whole bunch of stuff. I wouldn't mess with the CPU speed button. That could get bad. But there you go. Hope it helped. Has a lot of features. Alright, I'll be back soon.